Alright, so let's enter from the back. Everything in place for the roof. This is the kitchen area. There's an open house August 31st, so I gotta see which one they're showing. There are more that still haven't gotten their roofs on yet, so it's stages. So we're going through Silversun, nice clean gates. Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're featuring duplexes for sale in Silversun Estates. Now the single 2-bedroom dwelling are all sold out, and this is what is available. Now they're having an open house next Sunday, August 31st, but unfortunately I will not be able to make it. So please go from 10 to 4 p.m. if you're interested, and let me know how it is. I want to know what the atmosphere was like, what you feel about the house. I'm so sorry I could not make it, but today we're going to look at an unfinished house. The house that you're going to see, which house I presume will be showing on Sunday, which there are workmen there. They're getting it ready. They have one more week to go, and I'll show you another one that is under construction. So let's go. I'll let you information on the house. As you've been seeing, it's 23 million. It's 547 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. It's a duplex, so you know you share a wall with your neighbor. Some amenities include porch, ceiling fan, AC unit, landscaping, and a brick driveway. You can visit beacon.com to sign up if you're interested in Silversun Estates, but otherwise these are the requirements. You would need a 10% down payment. You need to submit your pre-approval letter, your ID, and a TRN. Wow! They got wall! Look at that back wall. And the main wall to the gates. And look at this. Nice. Gate is looking nice, and the park right beside it. Nice gates. Double doors, windows, and the wall continues. I love this for you, Silversun. So you know you can already see the gate here. This is where you exit on this side. This is the electronic gate. And on this side is where you enter. Electronic grill gates. See, it's the grill gates. See, it's marked residence over there, visitor in the right lane. So now we're gonna continue inside. So if the gate was in operation, I'd be on the left for visitor. Alright, so let's go. Remember when these were shells in here? We've been doing updates a lot, you know. These were shells once, but it's completed now. You see even a car in the driveway. So persons have moved in. The clubhouse still isn't finished. So the clubhouse here, still not done. And this is the mother house right here to our right. That's for the regular 2-bedroom and the 2-bedroom premium, but today we're going to look at the duplexes. As you see, you can make addition to the house. You can go to the back of it. That's a very big addition to that house right there. Ahead of us, we can see the duplex ahead. You can see it's different from these regular houses. So let's go take a look. Workmen on site. This duplex is the furthest along, so I assume this will be where the open house is. So when you enter the gate, you take the first right and then the first left, and you'll see the road running parallel with the duplexes. But let's take a look. Right here to the back is where the duplexes are. Like there's a duplex, then there's a single dwelling 2-bedroom, and then there's another duplex. I can't remember when I came here the last time and I was realizing how the structure looked, and I said this looks different from the 2-bedroom. So back then I didn't know that is because they're doing duplexes. But see, duplexes. There are more that still haven't gotten their roofs on yet, so it's stages. There's more land here, so this one is very rocky, so you know it's a lot more expensive to break ground at this section, so I'm not sure if they can put addition there, but there's land. You can see the greenery in the background. It's a nice view of the community. Very built up and residential, like this was Spanish Town. See, this person not only build that gate, but they're doing addition. This looks like to the side and to the back. So they have ample land space. This is good. So let's go look in here. Looks like a lot of land space though. So this would be the entry for one side of the duplex. Two windows. So we see that there will be two windows to the front, one to the back. And one to the back for one of the duplex, so that next window is for the other side. Alright, so let's enter from the back. This looks to be the kitchen area. Everything in place for the roof. This is the kitchen area. Open concept living. The main doorway, two windows. And then this side you see is wired for the bathroom. And then to the back, I assume this will be where the second bedroom is. Probably the wall is not up as yet because it was advertised as a 2-bed, 1-bath. But obviously the front room is a bedroom. Not a very big room, but a room nonetheless. And that seems to be a little closet here. Electric box. More electric. Veranda. And of course the next section would be the same. Closet, yeah. This one reach a lot further. There's an open house August 31st, so I gotta see which one they're showing. This is how it looks with the door on, windows, roof. We're going through Silversun, nice clean gates. Road is nicely paved and everything. And of course the orchard is right across the road from the Silversun. Remember we went to the orchard on Sunday? If you didn't watch that video, go back and watch it now. You see the gate? This is a secondary gate. There's already one on Artlands Road. But this gated community is right across the road from where you turn to go Silversun. St. Catherine is the king of gated community, building up really fast. And you see the gate, there's a security at the gate. No, it's not officially opened, but a security is already there. They're taking the thing serious. Stop. Hey, people, make sure to pay a maintenance fee to get the comfort and the convenience that comes with a gated community. Alright? Where nobody can just enter